Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Careface Video Productions.
Yeah man, welcome to another episode, of the 6-Star General Freestyle Tuesday. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah man, and tell your friend, tell your friend, tell another friend. Yeah man, I say things said, no. Still a bit bigger critics now. And the 7-track EP we're going to drop the 27th of September at 11:57 PM. Right? So I tell you, him have my girl pan it, him have leader pan it, him have caution pan it, him have beat. We don't want to tell you, Go on. Wait for the Friday, the 27th of September. Just go, it depends on me that.
At all times, girl is for you. Bigger, girl is for you. Your dog. Problems. Hey. Girl is from me was a young youth. Big up 6 General. Critics in the place. Caution. Problems. Do what I feel like. Do what I feel like.
I say things said, no. Change it before it need to pass. I think me have to change it. And filter, I have to change filter and all and everything. What do you say? What do you say? Yeah, we're up on the Albion and Kipping here now, I just feel like I give my mechanic a one link, you see what I mean? Now wait till it broke down for give him a check. One piece of rubber. Yeah, I know the oil want change, so I don't know nothing funny, So they are the mechanic here now. So definitely we'll see what it look like here. Don't change. I have less oil in it now, so just a change change the oil. Yeah, so you know, I tell you the oil dirty. You know, oil dirty, so me actually I go him know what to do. Him gonna take care right. You understand? Oil. So change the filter and him run a check on it a while ago. I think I need a coil. So kind of feel the car vibrate a little bit more than the normal. My spaceship not to drive like that. Smooth sailing. So it have a little, you know, so the mechanic go, him check it out a while ago and him run the diagnostic already. So I make him do film thing. And me I do my thing, right? Yeah man, freestyle, you know, my thing. Check it. Just subscribe, you know. Like, share, and guess what? Beg you comment. Come on for hear what you have to say. You understand? Because we have a lot to talk about, right? Yeah. So, as I tell you, you know, I want to introduce, well, you're supposed to know about my channel, though. 6-Star General. Yeah, at YouTube. Yeah, man, and me have Instagram. You can check it out, man. TikTok. 6-Star _ Yeah man, 6-Star General _ Me dey on YouTube, TikTok. Me dey all over. But when me want to tell you say we are embark on some music thing. You know see it what day, man? Me tell you say next week, Friday. Next week Friday at 11:59. 11:59 we're gonna drop Critics 7-track EP. See it? We're gonna have a listening party right on Roots Reggae Radio. Cause we all over, you know. We're there. Sure. So just follow the program because you see the 6-Star General YouTube channel. You see what you see now? We have more in-depth details for you on my channel. You see it? Yeah man, a whole heap of things that you see, man. All you gotta see, you know. You know. Me say you gotta see music, you gotta see this, you gotta see that. A whole heap of things upon it, man. So I tell you, man, you see what you see now? On care face, because you see if I care face do it, it not do good. So I care face I do it. You know say it. Yeah man, I care face CVP, man. I am the baddest thing on the block round here, man. I him run the video them, man. Him do advertisement, him just call him. I don't even remember his name. Him number I should say, but I care face CVP. So you see once you want to get video intel, just look for him. Him there on Instagram, him there on YouTube, him there on, just look for him, you will see him cause a video thing, you know. I mean I tell you, if I not care face do it, critics will tell you it not shot. So I care face CVP. Yeah man. This when you call him. Tell him say the 6-Star General, tell him call. Tell him you will get a little discount. Just tell him say me send you. And you know, you can get movie made, you can get documentary, you can get advertisement. If I even just a little showcase, if a party you want to deal it, care face of the man for you, you know. So you just call him. Look for it.
Video editing, videography, marketing and promotion, etc. Advertise with CVP, Careface Video Productions. And we will put the spotlight on you. For more information, reach out to us at carefacecvp@gmail.com or by phone at 647-784-2980. Subscribe to Careface CVP on YouTube.
Yeah, so as me tell you, they are Sky Fix Auto, the best mechanic in Toronto. You see, if you want a car, well, anyway, you see this one here? I want the mechanic one. You see it? These are the mechanics, so you can't get this, but if you want it for buy, as long as you have the price, you will deal with it. The one you get a little damage, but then money I work on it, you know, front end damage, I work on it. So Jeep there. Jeep ready. I tell you. See Lexus over there, so a Lexus you like? You have Lexus. If a Ford, him have Ford, him have Infinity, him have Nissan, them have, you see, all them on the down that side so. If you like them, just come look upon them. And yeah, if it's not drivable, he may fix it because I tell you the best mechanic, see me? Best mechanic in Toronto.
I have to do some welding.
Yeah man, see him, I go look for him work there now. Yeah man, I go check my mechanic there now, you know? Alright, mechanic there.
Welcome to Skyfix Canada Inc. Anytime you wanna do something, you just check me.
Yeah man, I'm the best mechanic man in Toronto man.
It's at 1770 Albion Road.
Well, I tell you, you've been seeing what I've been doing. So guess what? I never tell you say a whole heap of artists I'm par with, right? But guess what now? More you gonna look on this. More you gonna look on Grenade, the Pharaoh. Him have him Vivo channel. Grenade, the Pharaoh. Him have a new rock back song. Rock back, me I tell you say.
Style so neat, catch a rock back. Money in our pocket, so we got cash. The whole world are watching, we are rock back. Catch a style, rock back, boy, rock back. Style so neat, catch a rock back. Money in our pocket, so we got cash. The whole world are watching, we are rock back. Catch a style, rock back, boy. Me rock back with a bad chick. Catch a style, rock back, boy, go rock back.
Rock back, me I tell you say. Rock back, me I tell you, mad. I like it, it have a buzz. So you more you do, more you go give it a little view. Give it a like. And better yet, just leave a comment what you think could I do better or worse. What you think about that rock back song. Because it have a buzz, you know, it have a buzz. So if you feel like it could I do better, leave a comment. What you think? Just leave a comment. So here what? We have a new youth on the block. You don't know about him yet, but me I tell you, not a secret. But listen, him name Shagray. A Scarborough them man today, you know. Right? And right now him a work on him EP. I get a sneak preview of it already. I not tell you nothing about it. But I tell you about the EP. A 6-track. And it will drop sometime, I don't know. But as soon as him finish it, I tell you. Right? Because him a work, him in the team as well, you know. So I tell you, say Grenade the board, Shagray. You have this one virgin named Zion Child in there, Jamaica.
Big up on yourself. Zion Child tell the youth them to smile. Give thanks and all that melts for a while. Yeah. Shout out to Clearface CVP. You know what face? Come on. Trendsetter, always first place. This is Peter, aka Zion Child. I can be found on YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, Twitter, the new X, all social media platforms. Pick up the Reverb Nation, you can find me there as well. Sanctuary, you can find me there as well, you know. All them, you know, distribution platforms, big them up, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Clearface CVP. Don't get weak in the streets. Yeah, man. You don't know, big up to Assorted. Yeah, man, that is ASZORTID.ca. Yeah man, big up to Clearface CVP. Check out their YouTube channel as well. Yeah man, just type in Clearface CVP. When it gets deep in the street, just be real, don't come steal my cheese. Just wait your turn.
This man yeah, all his smokes, me say, me can't wait for the year where the man have to say. Because the man have so much things to say. Right? I mean I tell you say, yo, the man are real bubble yo. You understand? The man I tell you as it is. What it's supposed to be. I mean, say that's why most of them don't like me, you know, because them realize me remind them of who they are supposed to be. So you see Zion Child, I gotta remind them. You see? Come here, I tell you, say, yo, we have some whole heap of good works that come towards you, you know. Yeah, man. The thing I got good, man. The thing loud, it a bust all the cloud. You know, hear about it yet? Me I tell you, man. For real. Man, so me I tell you about the next youth. Me I tell you the amount of artists when they're there, brother. Me I tell you, sisters, me I tell you about a newer youth, a younger youth. This a one ya, hey, me I say yes to the youth ya. We are do this for the youth, them, and that him say. You understand? Graven image. He say me, hey, you know, so what they on the earpiece of him song, but me never did tell you, you know, on the earpiece side, but me never tell you say him. So as me tell you, say Eiffel, My respect, sir. A big love, enough love. Yo, you think loud, it a bust the cloud. Me say Eiffel, you think, hey, you think sell off. And me fi tell you, the people them not tell you about it. But yeah man, them thing are going good. Yeah man, them they are Jamaica, but don't be surprised you see me here anytime soon. Cause me I tell you same thing I go hard. So here I go on, I still a bit big up critics, you know. And the 7-track EP where I'm gonna drop the 27th of September at 11:57 PM. Right? So me I tell you, him have my girl pan it. Him have leader pan it. Him have caution pan it. Him have beach. Me no want to tell you, you know. Go and go look. Wait on the Friday, the 27th of September, and just go. It depends on all media platform.
So me I say, this is Kitix speaking, you understand? I'ma spell the Kitix KRYTIXX. You understand? You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, you understand? Facebook.
Drama, everything, you know, you could laugh in it.
Yeah man, so there's a next hombre named K-San. I want you to look on K-San music. He have some lovely songs.
I'm taken, yeah. My heart is Jamaican. Well, you already know it's K-San and I see it. Yeah man, and you don't know we're in Action House Records, you see it. Yeah man, big up Patrick, you know what I'm saying? Spider and all same way, you see it.
Watch out, big up Careface CVP. You know it's a Johnson code.
You see me? Careface CVP. You understand? Make sure you check him out, you know what I'm saying? And I go by the name of K-San again. I'm all over the music platform, you know what I'm saying? Spotify, go get my single. Best Friend, you know what I'm saying? Dirty Weekend, you know what I mean? Holla at your boy, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, again, you already know. Careface CVP, yo.
You have some lovely songs. So big up yourself in my own. K-San. Yeah man. So give him a listen, give him a like, give him a share, and better yet, leave a comment. Tell him say the general send up on him page. You understand? Yeah man, give him a shout out. Careface. Don't know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.